तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे। तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल जा ओ हमें, तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे।
আমরা কি এটা ঠিক শুনলাম? এটা একটা হিন্দি গান। কলকাতার বুকে যোধপুর পার্ক সাউথ কলকাতায় বসে কোথা থেকে এই গানটা আসছে? এটা তো স্পটিফাই। নো, আই এম নট ওয়্যারিং মাই এয়ারপডস। নো, দেয়ার ইজ নাথিং গোয়িং অন ইন দ্য স্টুডিও। বুঝতেই পারছেন আজকের এপিসোড অফ স্ট্রেট আপ উইথ শ্রী, মাই উইকলি পডকাস্টে এত যখন আমি গ্লো করছি এই বিউটিফুল গানটা শুনে, তার মানে একজন বিউটিফুল অ্যান্ড ভেরি ভেরি স্পেশাল বন্ধু, গেস্ট, আর্টিস্ট কমরেড আছেন আমাদের সাথে অল দ্য ওয়ে ফ্রম আমচি, মুম্বাই, শাশ্বত সিং। এই গানটার যে গলা, যে সোল এবং যে আত্মা, সেই স্টার, সেই অ্যাবসলিউট দ্য নিউ কিড অন দ্য ব্লক বলা হচ্ছে। ইনফ্যাক্ট আই ওয়াজ রিডিং অ্যান ইন্টারভিউ অফ শাশ্বত, যেখানে আমি দেখলাম হি হ্যাজ বিন কম্পেয়ার্ড টু অরিজিৎ। বলছে হি ইজ দ্য নেক্সট অরিজিৎ সিং। সো উইল টক অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট। Arijit, of course, we own him because he is the pride of India, the world, and of course, us in Bengal. But as you know, এই শোতে একবারই খালি we've had the absolutely talented, powerful Rani Kohinoor in conversation with me যখন রানী মুম্বাই থেকে এসেছিল to perform with Usha Uttubdi, and she was very kind to give us Ek Raat Ek Sham, and Shashwat has done the same. He's here on a whirlwind tour and some private gigs, but তাও straight up with শ্রীতে আমরা শাশ্বতকে ম্যানেজ করেছি to bring, and Shashwat is also singing in many many beautiful, rich and powerful Indian languages. So firstly, Shashwat, welcome to Straight Up with Shri.
Thank you. Thank you for having
How
me.
are you feeling being on the show?
Very nice. I've heard so much about you and the show, and my manager, my team, they were
Yeah.
telling me you are going to meet a very intelligent lady.
Oh,
I was like, okay, this
okay.
is great. Let's go. Let's
Yes,
do this. I'm very
yes.
happy to be here. Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
me.
Thank you, Shashwat. Welcome to the city of joy. Because now, of course, the city of joy and boy, I combined it.
Joy, that's what I was.
Yeah, it's become the city of joy.
All right.
Because itni barish ho rahi hai Calcutta mein that obviously it's become the city of joy. Joy and boy, with all the waterlogging and the cyclonic weather. But music, even when we are stuck in traffic, when we are driving home from a crappy day at work, when we are looking at our edits, most of my team, when they are working, everybody is plugged in and Shashwat is on loop.
Oh,
So to actually
sweet.
have you in person for an intimate, I would think no holds barred adda is extremely a privilege of the show. And I am always happy, আমার খুব ভাল লাগে যখন সিঙ্গার্সরা শোতে থাকে, because আপনারা অনেকেই জানেন I dreamt once of being a playback singer, but my growing up years was always behind the camera. Not camera, sorry, behind the mic. Abhi camera ho gaya, so it's all getting confused. And we used to have a hand shower back in those days. It was quite a fancy thing.
Of
तुम तो
course.
मेरे से बहुत छोटे हो, but वो लेके मैं गाती थी। ওটা নিয়ে আমি Whitney Houston হতাম, কখনো Madonna হতাম, কখনো সুনিধি হতাম।
Wow.
And I always wanted to be a rock, like a rock musician. Shashwat, of course, অনেকগুলো genre গান গান. He is called the Prince of Heartbreaks. I was reading, वो तो बड़ा heavy है, but we will talk about what makes his heart sing. But before that, ये तो Allahabadi, from Allahabad, the city of culture, I
Yes,
think, and of
yeah.
course, music, good food, of course, a lot of spirituality and cinema.
Yeah.
So, and politics, of course. So, all of this melting pot. But Shashwat was not born into a quote unquote musical family, in the sense that nobody in his family, I'm assuming, was a professional playback singer as you are today. and soaring as you are, touch wood. Even the story of your birth, you were saying आपके parents ने মান্নাত যেরকম মানত আমরা এখানে অনেকেই কালী মন্দিরে বা ডিফারেন্ট টেম্পলসে গিয়ে আমরা মানত নিই, ঠিক সেরকম ভাবে শাশ্বতের প্যারেন্টসরাও একটা মান্নাত নিয়েছিলাম। অফকোর্স মান্নাত we immediately go to the
Shah
other
Rukh's
Mannat.
house.
Yeah. So, Bombay Mannat, all this
Right.
comes back. But tell us a bit about that Mannat.
No, so
Shashwat.
the Mannat was not by my parents. That
Hmm.
was by my father's uh, forefathers.
Oh.
Yeah, we are Kayasts,
Okay.
Shivastavs,
Oh.
and the Mannat was by them because the kids used to not survive in the
Oh,
family.
the mortality rate.
Yes,
Hmm.
and this I'm talking about my father's father's father.
Ah.
Like
In
much
the past.
before
Yeah.
everything. So they were guided into Guru Granth Sahib,
Hmm.
and we became Nanak Panthis.
Okay.
That's how the Singh comes
That's how
in.
the surname
Yes,
changed.
yes.
Okay.
That's how
Okay.
it happened. Yeah.
And of course, I'm sure after that, thanks to the blessings of Guru Nanak and the power of the Guru Granth Sahib,
Of course, yes.
which I think is one of the most beautiful spiritual texts. It's available in all languages. পড়ে দেখবেন যারা গীতা ভালোবাসে, তারা বাইবেল ভালোবাসে, কোরআন ভালোবাসে, Guru Granth Sahib is beautiful. My sister went to a Sikh convent school called Guru Harkishan Public School.
Okay.
तो उनको पढ़ाते थे and I
Okay.
would learn as she was learning. So I think वो curse हट गया फिर उसके बाद.
I survived.
Survived and how? Survived and thrived and on straight up with Shri. So of course it worked thanks to the divine. How was your growing up, Shashwat? Were you really one of those music crazy, music pagla kids growing up? How
Pagla
was
for sure.
it? Pagla for sure.
Yeah. But multiple things. I was so I grew up in a house, ancestral house.
Hmm.
Lot of animals, trees,
Lovely.
flowers. Passionate for gardening.
Mm.
My grandfather, I used to see him grow multiple colors in one plant of rose,
Oh, okay.
white, red,
Lovely.
coming out from one plant.
Mm.
He used to do all that. So, that it was very organic.
Mm.
We liked organic things, the simple way of life.
Mm.
तो वही था राग जो लाइफ का था वो वैसा ही था एंड आई कम फ्रॉम वेरी हम्बल टाउन इलाहाबाद सो वी काइंड ऑफ सीन इट ऑल हम होता था बचपन में कि संडे को ही टीवी देखते थे व्हेन आई वाज लिटिल दैट वाज अ स्केड्यूल
Yeah.
idiot box my father used to call it.
Mm.
I used to say only on the weekends.
Typical middle class upbringing.
Yes, and of course he was a doctor, emergency guy, always
On call.
on call, on a mission to save people. His thing was very different. He wanted us to grow up thoda samajh ke sab kuch,
Mm.
not get affected by what they are showing on the television.
Right, right.
So it used to be the weekends,
Mm.
Sunday,
Mm.
and Sunday को light जाती थी,
Okay.
power cut होता था,
Okay.
but all the shows used to come in the morning.
Right.
उस time light नहीं होती थी, so we used to connect the TV का power to the car battery.
Oh my God.
We had a tiny
Major jugaad.
yeah major jugaad.
Ah,
And the entire family used to sit and enjoy and have so much fun.
right.
Such simple times,
Right.
And what I realized ki actually, like, even now, sometimes I think it doesn't really that happiness
Mm.
doesn't really matter if you have the comfort or not, and what's with you in the material
Mm.
world.
Mm.
And I don't think that has an impact on your happiness.
True.
Because I was so happy with all what was given to me,
Mm.
and my parents were very happy that the kids are absolutely fine and they're
Right.
growing wonderfully. They are kind kids.
That's what matters.
That's what matters. And
Mm.
I'm the youngest in the family.
Okay.
I have an elder sister, and then there's an elder brother.
Okay.
And brother is the eldest. And my sister is also an actress, so she also got into the arts.
Arts. Yeah.
She was the first one to get into the arts, actually. That's how I
Didi,
got
your Didi.
Nidhi.
Ah.
Yeah, Nidhi Singh.
Mm.
That's how I got the courage to tell my parents कि music
Me too.
music ही करना है
Yeah.
क्योंकि वही आता है.
Mm.
But you were asking how my childhood was. My childhood was fantastic.
Lots of music. What
lots
did you
of
grow
music.
up with?
My mother used to sing. I have this graphic. image in my head still now where I'm in her lap and she's singing Chanda Hai Tu Mera
Oh,
Suraj Hai.
wow.
And I used to get tears.
Hmm.
I was a baby. I used to get teary, like just listening to this.
Emotional.
She had this soprano tone back then,
Wow.
and very sweet voice. So she used to sing that. That was one of my favorite things, and it's still in my memory. The another one is जब लाइट जाती थी ऐसी रात को.
Hmm.
So we used to sit outside on a cot and eating our food, and then when I'm about to sleep, I used to tell her, "Can you sing that song that scares me?" There was a song. मेरे को डरने वाला गाना.
Okay.
Used to say.
हाँ.
So it was कहीं दीप जले कहीं दिल.
Right.
So she used to take that आलाप.
वो भूत
So
वाला.
I used to feel this goosebumps. Even now I'm feeling it. So that is something I remember as well. So I know that singing, voice, sound, it was something that just happened very naturally. Apparently, this is what my mom tells me when I was in her tummy. And that she used to, when I was in her stomach, she is a very spiritual and nice, calm lady. But when I was in her stomach, she used to watch Bruce Lee movies,
अरे.
Tipu Sultan, all
All
of
the
that.
action stuff.
And I love action. I really love action movies and all that. तो टीपू सुल्तान की जब थीम आती थी, तो apparently I used to jump on beat.
Oh,
in her tummy.
In her tummy.
I used to get excited listening to
cute,
the drums.
huh?
So she's like, you were always listening.
Yeah.
So I think even with music, that is the thing that has happened. I used to listen to a lot of music. My brother used to play Michael Jackson, Carpenters, Nirvana. There was bhajan, of course, in the family. Mom and dad, they loved a lot of Jagjit Singh bhajans, and kabhi kabhi Pandit Jasraj ji sunta tha. So there was always exposure of different kinds of sounds. My sister loved Bollywood music and all the pop stuff that happened later.
Right. So it was like like many different traditions, schools of music,
Yeah.
emotions, everything coming together.
Yeah.
But were you singing as a child?
So I used to imitate.
Okay, mimicry.
Mimic. मेरे को ना इंग्लिश बचपन में नहीं समझ में आती थी. When I was 3-4 years old, so I used to make up words. But I used to try and sing.
Okay.
जो सुना है, my nana used to be like, क्या गा रहे हो? कुछ शब्द तो बोलो. And I used to be like, अच्छा ठीक, कहीं और जाके करता हूँ, but ये करूँगा. And then I used to make fun of gamakas. No one taught me all this. तो मम्मी ने एक दिन बोला कि करेक्ट गमक ले रहे हो, मजाक उड़ा रहे हो.
Yeah, but it's the right.
You're doing in the right way. So you want a music teacher? And I was like, I was not a kid who would sit in one place. I was a riot.
Okay.
Would run, play. I want to play. Just hang from the tree. Crazy stuff. तो उन्होंने बोला टीचर रखते हैं. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, देखते हैं. तो एक टीचर आए. Now the problem was he was teaching, but he was eating so much pan. His mouth was already like this. And so he told me, sorry.
You're still a good mimic, Shasha.
Yeah.
Get that.
So, and I just could not focus on anything else but
वो पान
the
का वो
pan.
पीना.
And then it used to really freak me out.
Yeah.
So I one day I just was like, नहीं सीखना मुझे.
No more.
I ran and started playing.
Right.
My teaching in music could have started there, but it did not.
Prematurely बंद हो गया.
हाँ, मैंने खुद ही बंद कर दिया. So I continued listening to music till I actually went to KM Music Conservatory, which was much later after my school and everything.
Yeah.
But till then I had started singing. I was singing bhajans in the house. Every Friday there used to be a bhajan. So tabla, harmonium, and jamming. I used to play that.
You knew how to play tabla and harmonium?
No, I knew harmonium. I knew the kanjira.
Kanjira.
Tabla one bhaiya used to play.
Okay.
I was very impressed by that instrument because rhythm is just divine. It is divine, right?
Absolutely.
So of course, and it used to keep everyone involved. तो बहुत सारे भजन गाए. भजन गाने की वजह से मेरे प्रैक्टिस हो गई. I still don't know half of the rags that those bhajans were in. Actually, most of them. But I know those bhajans
Hmm.
and I know the chalan of uh, that rag because it's in the bhajan,
Right.
right? So ye आता गया over the period of time without me or my parents putting the pressure कि नहीं
करो करो करो.
सीखो.
हाँ.
None of that happened.
Hmm.
One day then in school decided चलो boring हो रहा है class.
Hmm.
Then my friends were like, हाँ, there's one way. If you start taking part in the music festival, then we can skip these periods, 6, 7,
Right.
8 period.
All of us, I think.
That was it. I was like,
Extracurricular.
let's go.
Yeah.
We were always in the music room.
Okay.
So a lot of fun happened there. Tried a little bit of drumming.
Hmm.
Um, very much fell in love with guitar.
Hmm.
That's when I took my first training actually into something.
Hmm.
Train kiya. Piyush Ekbert was my teacher.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I remember him very well. And then क्या फिर बस यही चलता रहा. Then सपन सर मिल गए मुझे, who was in Allahabad. The प्रसन्ना family बहुत बड़ी music family है. They are also in Delhi. One of the brothers did the orchestration arrangement for Lagan, I think.
Okay.
So he comes from the same family. He taught me how to play the flute.
How lovely.
So I learned that. A little bit of violin I tried.
Hmm.
So I was trying everything. जो हो रहा है, जो कर सकते हैं, जो interest आ रहा है. My parents were sweet enough to let me be.
Hmm.
Even if I'm making noise on the violin, because when you're initially playing the
Yeah, then
violin,
it's all over the place.
oh my god, मैं ही annoy हो जाता था
हाँ.
कि यार ये फिर actually आ गया थोड़े टाइम में, फिर राग बजाने लगा,
How
फिर
lovely.
अच्छा हो गया
But
फिर.
they gave you that space to
They
explore.
gave me the space.
Yeah, that's so important, I think.
And they themselves being such academics, उनके लिए वो करना, I think उनको भी कहीं लगता होगा कि
कुछ तो है,
पढ़ नहीं रहा है,
कुछ तो कर रहा है.
लेकिन हाँ, they were happy
They
that
were happy.
I'm passionate about something.
Right.
My energies were driven in the in an okay space. It was not चलो गाड़ी भगाते हैं या लड़ाई
Correct.
करते हैं, because lot of that used to happen in Allahabad.
Yeah, of course. Anywhere, I think.
Yeah. You know, especially all boys school and everything, we are aggressive.
Yeah, in UP we have that perception also.
Yeah. So yeah, that was the thing, and I'm really thankful for that childhood because I'll want to go back to it.
It seems so melodious, magically melodious.
Yeah, it was wonderful.
Yeah. I can almost smell the shuddhata, the purity of those times.
Right.
My grandmother, who was, as I was telling you, instrumental behind my music journey, however small it was, she used to often say a term in Bengali, মায়ের পেট থেকে পড়েই গান গাইছে. Means as soon as my granddaughter came out of her mom's tummy, she started singing.
Oh.
And listening to your story, my pet name is Piyu.
Okay.
Which is from the Papiha, which says Piyu kaha,
Right,
Piyu kaha,
right.
very beautifully and sweetly.
Yeah, we have a song on that, Piyu Bole.
Absolutely, right. Yeah. So basically, when I'm listening to your childhood, मुझे ये लग रहा है कि music was there in your consciousness, in your mind, and you were gravitating towards it without consciously pursuing it.
Yes.
And really salute to Indian parents, middle class, very academically oriented Indian parents and families who allow their children to be different, because I think in India we have such a clone factory system. Your father's a doctor, you have to be a doctor. Your mother was a teacher, you have to be a teacher. So I'm glad. I mean, that's great.
I was just telling someone, I think if the academic system, this is a big one, if I'm saying this, it's because back in my time, when I'm from the 90s.
Yeah.
So when we were growing up, the academic system was not really the best.
Absolutely. It's still not, I think.
I think it's still getting
it's still,
there.
Yeah, it's getting there to a
उस
certain
time तो
extent.
बहुत ही कम schools थे जो, I think Doon and all those were the only places where they would have a structure.
Correct.
तो अगर मुझे प्यार हो जाता पढ़ाई से, तो मैं बहुत पढ़ाई करता. Because you will not believe it, even though not so studious in school, I used to love scrolling through my dad's MBBS books. Biology was something that I really loved.
Yeah?
Yeah. And there was a point when I figured out So फिर हमारे यहाँ घर में केबल आ गया था
Hmm.
from the time of only having DD1.
Yes.
We all us kids we were like, Papa,
MTV
Papa,
and
please cable लगा
yeah,
दो,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So he was like, हाँ ठीक है, but only this much time.
Yeah.
And all. So I used to watch Discovery Channel a lot,
Discovery.
and that's where I learned about the ocean life.
Hmm.
Right, watched a lot of whales and everything. I was so game for learning oceanography. I
So
feel
marine biology and all of
yeah,
that.
because I love animals,
Hmm.
and I felt there was some pull towards that. Maybe
Right.
another life now.
Yeah. Well, you
uh,
never know.
but now I live next to the Oceanography Institute in Bombay. That happened.
See, it's karmic. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that was something that I wanted. But in my school, I could never. I did not like this pattern of exams. Then that whole thing कि coaching आओ तब देखते हैं क्या पढ़ाना है and all that. That was not cool for me.
Right.
I just felt कि this is wrong.
Right.
And
It
when
is,
I used to feel as a child, when I used to feel कि ये गलत है, तो of course मैं अब बेइज्जती भी नहीं करूँगा ना किसी कोई बड़ा है मुझसे, तो नहीं करता था मैं अभी भी मतलब I'm very respectful towards elders even though they can be very difficult at times. At that time I would just move away from situations like that कि okay, not my thing, I'm not going to study. तो वो मुझे पता था कि academics तो नहीं होने वाला. But then thankfully music was going on. And another thing that really I wanted to do was military because
yeah, I read that.
I lived in the Kant area.
Okay. So
And
you grew up with that ambience.
My grandfather, great grandfather, all patriots.
Okay.
And बहुत stories हैं, बहुत सारे stories हैं. My grandfather used to tell me, and I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
You know. जब कारगिल हो रहा था तो Bofors the guns actually हमारा कैंट एरिया में बहुत major, it's a very important cant of India. And few things I should not say, you know, security reasons. But I used to see the Bofors go in front of my house. Like I would be that kid standing on the main gate and looking at these trucks carrying
passing by, yeah.
And I was like, oh, ये India को protect
war is on and yeah.
तो वो बहुत मेरे अंदर था कि I want to do this. But I had really bad knee injuries. I broke
from sport?
Yeah, no, from a stupid bike accident.
Oh damn.
Yeah, and I was not even riding it. I was putting it on stand, and the stand slipped, and it was a heavy Thunderbird.
So you had an ACL tear.
So, ACL rupture. It broke. So the only option was to go through surgery and flat foot. So my mother was happy because she knew कि flat foot है तो मना reject हो जाएगा, medical में ही reject हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
And so those were the things that again removed me from that path.
Defense kind of career.
Yes, कि उस career में तो नहीं जा सकते. बचा music, which I loved. That was a constant for me in all situations.
Correct.
All situations. So yeah, that was it. And finished school, and my brother was like, "Chalo, chartered accountancy because you're a commerce student." I was like, "Nahi ho payega, bhai. I can't do it." And my father, mother, they were like, "Just do your graduation, and then figure out kya
Such an Indian thing, na? Graduation.
Yeah. Graduation kar lo, beta, ताकि.
But it's a fallback plan also.
Yeah,
I think parents are not entirely wrong in
They're not
saying, yeah,
absolutely not.
Yeah.
And it's good because if nothing worked out,
कुछ तो है.
I shouldn't be on the road.
Correct.
You know.
100.
तो किया graduation किया. But I did a distance learning course. So Allahabad University, again, a beautiful place. You should go there sometime. It used to be known as the Oxford of India. Bachchan Sahab ke father.
Absolutely.
Harvansh Rai Bachchan.
Right.
He was one of the professors.
Right.
And so वहाँ से I did my distance learning, and my sister got to know about KM Music Conservatory that was there in Chennai. A.R.
Rahman's Institute.
Yes, and she told me that he started a thing, and if you are not able to figure out what your direction is, why don't you go check out the school? I was like, yeah, I would love to. And as I entered KM Music Conservatory, I just knew
this is your gig.
I'm staying here no matter what. That was it. one piano was playing here, one violin was playing there, and someone was practicing vocals. I told my dad, let's just give the money.
This is the ocean
This is
for
the
you.
place.
Yeah.
I think this is good.
Right.
And you know, throughout that journey inside the music college, I never thought that I will that I want to work with AR sir,
Mm.
और कि नहीं एक दिन मुझे वो मिलेंगे तो शायद वो रखा ही नहीं था क्योंकि I was so engrossed in understanding what they're trying to teach,
Mm.
and I was so excited for this learning that was going on with these books I was reading on production, music production, and there's a book called Tonal Harmony,
Mm.
teaching about the chords and what scales are, different kinds of scales, and तो इतना खो गया मैं उसमें
Mm.
करता रहा and then started because I was a singer and people knew that he likes to sing. Met some composers around the college and I told them ki just make me sing your scratches.
Mm.
I will sing in wrong Tamil, but you can present your song.
Mm.
So give me those scratches, I will sing for you. And that's how I started practicing in front of the condenser mic. The studio condenser mic is very different from
Right. A
your-
normal.
your
Yeah.
regular
Yeah.
stage mic.
Yeah.
That's where that practice started. And so ये situations में यार अपने around create मतलब subconsciously वो कुछ direct कर रहा था मुझे.
Mm.
Do this now, let's try this. करते करते एक situation हो गए, बन गए.
Mm.
Then I used to go for choir recordings and all of that. So singing with 60 people, 80
Wow.
people inside the studio, 6, 7 hours we are singing, just recording, because one person makes a mistake, you have to do the whole thing again.
Redo the whole thing.
Yeah.
Mm.
तो ये सब चीज़ें सीखी. Then in 2013, I decided, chalo, now let's give a shot to Bombay.
Mm.
My sister was already here doing her thing. She was I think उस time पे she was in an advertising agency, JWT.
Mm.
Moved in with her and I was so clueless in Bombay
Mm.
because there was absolutely no guidance.
Yeah.
I had not done anything.
And you didn't know anyone.
I didn't know anyone,
Mm.
and I had not cracked a song or anything of that sort.
Mm.
Us time YouTube was just coming up.
Just beginning to, yeah.
So I saw a lot of वो कि अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं. Some people took us for a ride also, like 5 of us, we were friends and we used to make music together. तो वहाँ पे भी काम कराया, खूब सारा काम कराया.
No money.
फिर भाग गए.
Mm.
पैसे का फोन का मतलब
Block कर दिया ये.
yeah, you can't
I
get
know.
through. And then I realized it stuck to me कि oh, nah, I'm not ready for this right now.
Mm.
Let's go back to Chennai.
Okay.
I went back to Chennai.
Mm.
Then continued doing recordings with anyone and everyone. वहाँ पे this amazing human being met me called Shankar Tucker.
Mm.
Shankar Tucker had become a sensation on YouTube then.
Okay.
And he used to play the clarinet.
Mm.
But he had learnt under Hari Prasad Chaurasia ji
Oh, lovely.
in Bombay. So he used to play clarinet in the Indian style.
Okay. The
And-
ragas basically.
Yes, and he was just fantastic. He was
Brilliant.
out of this world. When he used to play, you could see the fierce talent that he had
Mm.
on the instrument. So he wanted to record a song with me. And I had done a cover. When 2013 में जब मैं बॉम्बे गया था, तो वहाँ किचन में मैंने एक पिया बसंती का
Oh.
पिया बसंती रे that song,
Yeah.
उसका एक कवर बनाया था. Because YouTube पे उस time everyone was putting covers. So I was like, okay, I'll make a cover. That cover got me Shankar Tucker. They people saw my singing on YouTube.
Mm.
Then I met a Telugu composer, Sunny MR, and he recorded me. He was like, I wanted to record you. I heard you in that Shankar Tucker song and wanted to dub you. I was like, let's go. We dubbed 2 songs on the same day. We both had such a brilliant time together. And then he's like, where are you from, man? I'm like, I'm from Allahabad. कहते क्या बोल रहा है? मैं तो बिहार का हूँ. मैंने कहा तो आप
The two bhaiyas.
तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में हो. It's like, so what? But I live in Bombay. I was
Okay.
like, oh. He's like, yeah, I work with Pritam Da.
Mm.
I'm the engineer for Arijit Singh. I'm like, oh, you know him? He's like, yeah, I know him. You want to speak to him? I'm like,
Wow.
yeah, sure. He called him. I'm like, hi, Arijit, I'm a very big fan. उस time वो आया था. His Mirchi performance had just become
Okay.
super viral,
Super viral.
and it was so good. I
He's
told,
such a simple man.
yeah, I mean, I had no idea about what he is, who he is.
At that time, you didn't
For
have
me, it was
any.
just the voice.
Yeah.
And I told him कि भाई मतलब what you do is so good. He's like, अरे, it's all fine. तुम भी गाते रहो.
Mm.
I'm like, thank you. And a very casual chat we had. Then later we went for a couple of beers, Sunny and I. And Sunny was like, I don't drink, but with you I will drink. I'm like, okay, cool, let's go. We went and he's like, सुन, तू आजा. तू हिंदी बोलता है, तू अच्छा गाता है. तू बॉम्बे आजा, वहाँ पे करते हैं. I was like, Sunny, I have absolutely no direction to follow in Bombay. He's like, just come, we'll figure out. I'm like, okay. Then Sunny left. I was still in Chennai. Rahman sir ke environment mein ही, because I loved that environment. It was very there's so much of learning that was going on throughout that time. हम लोग का एक उन्होंने band start किया. It was called Nafs. You can still find it on YouTube. There was 8 singers singing in harmony.
Wow.
So it was only voices. And I can't tell you how great.
Did you ever meet him?
Who?
A.R. Rahman?
In this time period, yeah, once I met him.
Okay. How did that go?
So there was a project in the college. It was called Classical Incantations. So what they were doing, they were taking the super hit songs like Black Swan ka Gana, yeah, you know, all the big English songs from back in the days, and they said what we are going to do. This was Shekhar Kapoor and Rahman sir together.
Wow.
They had decided to do this project, and the project was write this in Hindi and make this in a Hindi arrangement, like an Indian arrangement.
Right.
So I wrote a song because no one else knew Hindi, and my vocal coach, Kavita Balega, she was also my flatmate, and another guy. So we were now all outside the college. We are not in the college anymore, but we are still doing projects.
Right.
तो उसने मुझे बोला कि can you write this? I was like, yeah, sure, I'll write it. I wrote something. It was about a mother and a daughter.
Beautiful.
And so it reached A.R. sir, and they told me कि when you write this, please write the translation on the side.
Yeah.
But I was like, yeah, sure. So ऐसा parallel ऐसे करके send it, and then I got a call from the studio guy, Jerry, his name is, very good composer himself. Jerry called me. He's like, Shashwat sir wants to meet you for the lyrics that you've written. I was like, okay. I went to the studio. He's like, hey man, you wrote this? I'm like, yeah. Like, you're a good writer. You should do it professionally.
Oh.
I was like, thank you. And there were like 10 people in that room, and they all knew that I'm a singer.
Right.
No one opened their mouth and told him that, sir, he's sings.
Actually a singer.
Yeah, no one said it. And me being me, I would never speak extra in front of any of these. I don't do that. I feel how I will not say it.
Like apna ढिढोरा.
नहीं पीट सकता मैं. It doesn't work for me.
Doesn't work for you.
तो thank you बोला मैंने. That was it. But I just kept wishing, oh man, if one of you guys told him.
So why didn't they say it? I'm curious. Was it competition, jealousy?
No. I don't think so.
Just respect, like reverence for him.
It's like the man is speaking in the room.
Yeah. So then everybody
let
else
the man
listen.
speak.
Yeah.
It's like
okay,
that.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the aura around A.R. sir in general. When he talks, you listen. He's a man of few words, so it just happens on its own. You don't. It's not something that you put on. It happens. You'll just be like that. At least with me, that was the case. And yeah, that was it. And फिर होता क्या, recordings हो रहे हैं, chorus recording हो रहा है. things were happening. Then one day I was called for a chorus recording for that. So that was the first time I met him.
Hmm.
You asked me that question, so that was the first meeting. And after that, we were recording something. I got a call for a chorus recording for 24 करके एक movie आई थी. Surya is a very big star
Right,
there.
right, right.
His movie was there, and Benny Dayal was the main singer.
Okay.
Abhay Jodhpurkar and I. Abhay Jodhpurkar is a fantastic singer. He's the singer of जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है.
Right.
So he and I were in the studio recording the chorus for this song. And Sir was taking the
Oh.
recording session. Usually chorus recording sound engineer कर लेता था. He used to only go and record the main
yeah,
singers.
Yeah.
But today he was there. And then, of course, when he's recording, so there is this thing, ki, okay, let's just do it well. You know, don't
Pressure,
don't
performance
screw this
anxiety.
up. Don't screw it up. And you know that is the main thing. But it went really well. Then once the recording was over, hey man, I have not heard you sing.
Hmm.
Can you sing something? But he wanted to hear me solo.
Okay.
So like, okay, sure. Then पता नहीं क्या हुआ, मैं nervous हो गया.
Hmm.
I sang this सावन भी तो जाए
Tough one.
बेहरवा, and I screwed it
Screwed it up royally.
fully.
Oh shit.
And he he started laughing. He's like, "Don't be nervous.
Hmm.
Take your time and sing something you're comfortable singing."
Right.
So I don't know why I thought I'll sing "You Raise Me Up."
Hmm.
You raise me up, and he heard. He said, "Okay, thank you." Then he left.
Hmm.
That's it.
No reaction.
No.
Okay.
I thought हो गया खत्म.
Gone case. हाँ.
मुझे लगा अभी
This is it.
I think chartered accountancy
Back to that.
करते. लेकिन कुछ I think after a month or something I got a call on
Okay.
this. Yeah, it was for Tamasha,
Ah.
and Tamasha was the first project in this was 2015.
Hmm.
So Imtiaz sir was on a Skype call, and he spoke to me. He was like, "I heard you're from Allahabad. I have a song which has the character is from Allahabad,
Right.
and I need that dialect
Hmm.
from you because pura Chennai mein, I don't think."
They found that.
So I was like, don't worry about the pronunciation. I'll nail it. He was like, okay, cool. Thanks, man. फिर बस recording हुई. I had a bass line. बस और एक drum. उस पे पूरा गाना गाया मैंने because बाकी कुछ बनाया नहीं था. Once I sang, I even sang Arijit's portion. I didn't know then कि
He was going to do it.
He will be singing as well. So and usually they don't inform us all of this. They just get what they're supposed to get from you. Then they programmed on my voice and everything. हो गया, ready हो गया, सब हो गया, बन गया. But that's it. And then on the eve of my birthday, the song released.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a gift.
Yeah. And it also has Vat Vat, which is the end of my name, Shashwat.
Right, Shashwat.
So I guess it was meant to be.
Yeah.
And it happened, yeah.
Some things are mystical, you know. You don't have a ready reckoner explanation for them. You know,
Yeah.
they just kind
Actually,
of.
a lot of stuff like that has
Yeah.
happened in my life.
Right,
Where I don't know how.
I think in every artist's life.
Yeah.
It just kind of falls into place at
Yeah,
times.
it's-
But Shashwat, you know, we've had singers on this show from Bangla. Some of them, of course, dabble in Bollywood as well, or they sing jingles.
हाँ.
बहुत struggle है यार बॉम्बे में.
Hmm.
And on this show, there have been people, এরকমও হয়েছে that they have gone to Bombay. वहाँ पे जाके, you know, they have tried to meet music directors. Some have been exploited. A woman singer of repute in Kolkata, you know, misappropriately, inappropriately, you know, sort of touched by a very well-known music director. So it's not, you know, somebody hearing this will probably feel that, wow, it's so nice. It's like a movie, you know, he goes to Chennai, he just, you know, this happens. But having been a writer myself and
Hmm.
having quit a corporate job to do even this, what I do now, which is just my own thing, it's not easy. The life of an artist in India, it's unfair,
Hmm.
it's exploitative for women and men. I'm sure it could get a little even sexually exploitative at times, and definitely it is an industry where there is a lot of nepotism.
Yeah.
You know, those who
Hmm.
make it, but those who don't, right?
Hmm.
So we've had people come back, you know, come on this show and say that no, you know, we just go now and come back. Like, we couldn't make Bombay our base, you know.
Right.
There was interest because a lot of you know, singers in Kolkata do covers of famous Bollywood songs,
Hmm.
right? But and they get calls ki bhai acha gala hai, aa jao, and people can sing in any
Kolkata, I
language.
feel everyone can
Yeah,
sing,
everybody can sing,
and they're
that's true.
so good.
Yeah, they are. They are.
Yeah.
They are. We are a very
It's a
musical.
yeah, it's in the
Yeah,
culture.
it's in the culture.
Same
It's in
like
our DNA.
same like south of India.
South, yeah. Even Maharashtrians,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
also have that, but more, I think, South and East.
Yes.
But tell us about the struggle, Shashwat. You know, there'll be fans listening to you who may want to go down this path. A lot of fans from Kolkata, youngsters. How easy or difficult was it? Those years in
Uh,
Chennai, waiting, hoping.
so I didn't know that this was for me,
Okay.
right? I never had the. I'll tell you very honestly. What
Hmm.
I'm saying is very. It comes from an honest place. मेरा स्टार बनने का और ये करना है वो कर दैट वाज नेवर द एजेंडा आई वाज ऑलवेज वरीड यार आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द थ्योरी ओनली
Hmm.
व्हाई एम आई नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग
Hmm.
हाउ डू आई क्रैक दिस नोट
Hmm.
सो आई वाज ऑलवेज वर्किंग ऑन देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन
Hmm.
and the focus was not on how to get this done so that I can get through that and then reach that
फिर यहाँ
place
पहुँच गया।
और फिर ये वो मैं अभी भी नहीं सोचता हूँ and I'm telling you it's been 10 years now 2015 is when Tamasha released I still work so hard that sometimes my like even my mother's like कि तुम कब आए सुबह 4 बजे आए recording खत्म करके ये वो
Yeah, that's the life of a musician.
and it's absolutely okay I feel the see what is struggle for you can be very different
Correct. It's subjective.
right of course when you are talking about sleaze balls that's just unfortunate and I also know a lot of my friends from school female friends were in the corporate industry
They go through the same thing. It happens in
and
every
I've heard
profession.
some really bad
Horror
stories.
Yeah.
And I cannot believe it that something like that can exist in a structural
Correct.
office.
Correct.
अपना इंडस्ट्री तो स्ट्रक्चर है ही
है
नहीं
ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है.
वहां पे भी हो रहा है यहाँ पे भी हो रहा
It's
है
everywhere. It's rampant.
and then something like the Me Too movement comes out
Absolutely.
and then destroys this sleazeball world. I'm sure it's still on. I'm very sure it's still going on in a lot of places, and that is just unfortunate. Matlab, it makes me sad, very honestly, that some people have to go through that, and that artists also because artists are a little more sensitive than the
Average person.
although I wouldn't make that differentiation, but knowing about myself and the people that I know, we understand and receive vibrations a little more. तो बहुत ही disturbing है वो.
True.
And I wish कि that was not the way to give merit to someone.
Correct.
You know.
Correct.
If you're going to go sit on someone's lap, no. That's terrible. That shouldn't be the case.
Right.
We have such fantastic artists. Thank God to the internet.
Thank God. We're going to come to all that later.
Thank God to the internet. People have a place to speak up.
Yeah. It's democratized music
and
to a large
people
extent.
who are feeling कि हमें ये बनना था लेकिन हम यहाँ पे नहीं कर पा रहे वो अभी ऐसा टाइम है कि वो अपने घर पे बैठ के वो अपना गाना बना के रिलीज करके yesterday I saw a video of a guy It was a hip hop music video. I was like, यार कितना अच्छा है ये तो. और right, nice beat, nice flow in his rap. The video looks fantastic. Guess what? It was AI.
Oh.
It was not even a real person
A
in
real
the music
person in
video.
music video.
So today we are in a very different kind of
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
and the weapon that people have to bring out their creativity, I think it's much stronger than what it used to be
10 years ago.
10 years ago,
Right.
5 years ago.
2 years ago. I think it's changing
It's
so
just
fast.
it's just
Yeah.
and it will keep changing.
Yeah.
So to people who are struggling, first I would say stop calling it a struggle. You are an artist. This is your path. And once you will cross this hurdle, there'll be more. There's always something. There's always something. Today, before coming here, I was sorting a hurdle. Okay. And it's a little sad story. I won't talk about it. But
Why not?
because I mean, it's part of my
It's part of the
my
everyday.
career. It's
Yeah.
part of my job. You go do something. Maybe you'll get it. Maybe you won't get it.
Correct.
It's always a thing.
Yeah.
But उसको लेके दिल नहीं बैठाना चाहिए. You have to continue believing in your dream.
Keep marching on, like they say.
Keep believing in it. You know, when I was in 11th standard, उस टाइम मैंने गिटार बजाना सीख लिया था. So I used to love this song. I used to listen to a lot of John Mayer, Enrique, and all of these guys. So I can be your hero. So I used to sing that a lot. Okay, I was singing this in front of a friend. He's like, "अच्छा है, मजा आ रहा है ये वो." And I was like, "Great! I'll stand in front of you and I'll do it like a performance." He's like, "हाँ ठीक है." वो भी सोच रहा है कि पागल. फिर मैंने उसको बोला था कि यार एक दिन रहमान सर के साथ गाना है. This was a very true thought that came out of me. But then when I was even in the land of A.R. Rahman sir, I did not greed out for it. I was not greedy about कि this is the only thing. I was ready for everything and anything. Art में जो मिल रहा है अच्छा है. मैंने gyms के लिए background music भी बनाया है.
Yeah.
और 5-5 हज़ार में गिग भी किए हैं. तो लेकिन वो अभी मैं सोचता हूँ तो बहुत अमेजिंग पीरियड था वो. क्योंकि उस टाइम बैंक बैलेंस बड़ा करना, ये करना, वो करना, ये सब
That pressure was not there.
प्रेशर वाज देयर बट पता ही नहीं था क्या है, कैसे करना है. सो जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग, जस्ट फ्लोइंग,
Go with the flow.
जो आ रहा है हाँ क्या करना है. ओके ठीक है. कुंभ का एक मेरा फ्रेंड है, उसने कुछ शूट किया था, वो डिजाइन स्टूडेंट था, तो उसने कुछ शूट किया था महाकुंभ का. और उसने कहा इसमें बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दे देना. लाइक हाँ चल दे देता हूँ. 2-3 दिन बैठा उसके साथ, बकवास एकदम, कुछ भी बनाया हमने. आई डोंट नो हाउ ग्रेट और बैड और व्हाट इट वाज, बट आई गेव इट माय ऑनेस्ट टाइम and effort. And I think it really made me feel a certain way about myself, what I'm trying to do. So I think it's important to be in that mental state more than anything. If we keep calling our path a struggle, then yeah, it'll get manifested. It'll be a struggle.
Correct.
Thoda hai, it is tough. I'm telling you, even now it is tough. I'm not saying today,
even after this,
yeah,
success.
I have some songs under my name which are huge hits, but I feel the same about how I want to pursue my art and what I want to do. So there's so many things to do. कितना सीखना बाकी है.
Right.
जो आना है किस्मत में वो आ जाएगा.
That's true. সময়ের আগে আর কপালের রেখার বাইরে you don't get anything. So Shashwat, when Tamasha didn't do well, were you heartbroken?
No. Because I'll tell you why.
Okay.
I'll tell you why. Because my heart was broken when I learned that it is not just me on the song. Right? Because when the song released, that's when I got to know कि there's another singer on it. But of course, the name was so big. I was like, अरे यार, अरिजीत के साथ गाना है. it's big.
Hmm.
Hold on, you know, it's okay. करते गए उसके बाद भी मूवी इनिशियली मुझे भी थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजिंग लगी थी. I think I was not mature enough to understand what
Yeah, it's a
Imtiaz Ali.
complex film.
It is a complex.
Yeah,
It's a very
it's not
complex
a
film.
straightforward
Yeah.
love story. Yeah.
Today I understand that movie.
Hmm.
I watched it, I think last year again. I loved it so much.
Hmm.
Of course, there's you see the khamis here and
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
जो उस टाइम बनाया था जो अब रेलिवेंट नहीं है, बट दैट्स ओके. दैट इवन हैपेंड फॉर मी इन Daniel Day-Lewis movie that I just watched in the theater again. They re-released.
Okay.
And I used to love that movie, but then अभी देखा तो मुझे लगा अरे तो अभी
Something is missing. Yeah.
no खिंच गया.
There were parts. It's
खिंच
too
गया.
long.
जो उस टाइम इतना अच्छा लगता था
हाँ.
वो अभी खिंच गया.
Right.
है ना?
Right.
So because times are different.
Hmm.
But Tamasha today, it did well. It started doing well
On OTT.
on OTT 2019 onwards.
yeah.
What became a hit.
Right. Right. Right.
2015 में रिलीज हुआ था. 4 साल बाद
It
that
gained the
song.
momentum.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
So again.
Yeah. Kismat. Did Tamasha give you the recognition and the fame? Did people start, recognizing you कि भाई यही वो बंदा है?
No,
No.
not at all.
Yeah.
No.
And by then you had moved to Bombay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then same what I was doing in Chennai.
Mm.
Now I was doing in
Mm.
Bombay,
Mm.
singing in different studios.
Okay. Trying your luck.
I mean, I was always excited about a song coming my way. I feel कि वो तो I think that is something that is not in my control. Whoever is going to call me for a song, and if someone does, it's like a blessing.
Right.
So इतने सारे मेरे friends हैं who are making new music and everything. I keep telling them even now कि भाई why not let's record something. You're doing so good. Let's go for it. Because I just love to be behind the mic, sing in the studio, and I can keep doing it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. It's your calling. That's for sure.
That's something I enjoy so
Yeah,
much.
Yeah.
I was just telling someone कि कोई तो बोल रहा था कि क्या work and pleasure are two. I was like, my work is only the pleasure.
Yeah, exactly. And that's such a blessing. How many people can do that, right? Make their passion their profession, earn from it, gain fame. I mean, वो
Yes.
बाद में आया, but still, I mean, it's a whole package. Now, coming to your, your bursting onto the scene where, people really sort of started knowing your voice, the fan base building up, the fan pages coming up, and people actually singing your covers, instead of probably the other way around at some point. वो कैसे हुआ? When did that turning point come for you?
हो गया क्या? No, so I don't know honestly. I never kept a check on all of that. I'm like I said, I'm still that same guy. You know, wondering what's next.
Right.
And
it is an uncertain profession, right?
Not in the uncertainty way, but boredom है वो मेरे लिए एक ही spot पे रहना. So like part of now I realize actually after good 6-7 years I realized ki how important it is to be putting yourself out there so that people know that yes you exist and all that. So thoda bahut fir social media and all that I had to do because I'm still not very fond of it. Given a choice I would not do it.
Correct.
But ठीक है, it's the new way, it's the way they want things. So I'm doing it. But yeah, I think to answer your question, I think वत के तो covers लोगों ने after internet पे it
Absolutely.
became a
When
trend.
it became a kind of a trend.
Post 2019
yeah,
is when
absolutely.
they started.
Yeah.
I still don't know about the recognition part. I don't know because with singers it's different. A lot of people are like, "Oh, Shahrukh Khan ने कितना अच्छा गाना गाया." Shahrukh Khan ने नहीं गाया. You won't believe there are a lot of people who think, especially people outside India, उनको वो लगता है कि एक्टर ही गाता है.
What?
because they understand music theater
Okay.
where the actors actually sing.
Actually sing. Correct, correct.
Like a Hugh Jackman will be
Yeah,
actually
yeah, yeah.
singing.
Meryl Streep, they all
Meryl
sing so
Streep.
beautifully.
तो उनको वही लगता है कि शाहरुख खान क्या गा
क्या
रहा है,
गा रहा है?
वाह. I was like नहीं भाई. तो वो ठीक है, मतलब आई थिंक फेम रिकग्निशन एंड फेस वैल्यू एंड ऑल दैट, वो थोड़ा 2-3 बार टीवी पे जाओ, फिर ये करो वो करो, देयर आर वेज टू build all that up. But yeah, I don't know which song actually did that. Even people even appreciated Alize a lot from Ae Dil Hai
Right.
Mushkil.
Right.
It was that little song that comes in the end, but
Right at the end, yeah.
it's a gospel arrangement, beautifully composed by Dada. So I think उसमें भी हुआ था. But uh, do people know me as the singer of those songs? I'm not aware, because a lot of people think it's only Arijit.
Right. Does that happen a lot with you?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
you
it
share
happens.
a lot of songs with
It
Arijit.
happens a lot. Yeah, yeah.
Does that get to you?
Yeah, sometimes.
I would
Yeah,
think so.
Yeah, yeah.
I would think so.
But I know the man really well. भाई जैसे है वो मेरा. तो मुझे कभी भी उनसे ऐसा कभी फील नहीं हुआ. But yeah, the system is a little थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है उधर. Where there are, I don't understand this whole thing of having two male singers on a song where you can have one.
Why do they do that? I was going to ask you. That was a question I had prepared.
I have been told it's a marketing call.
Okay.
I've been told by the.
गाने में भी marketing आ गया.
Of course. Of course. मतलब everything is an ROI based.
ROI. It's business.
It's business.
It's a baseline.
Yeah. They have to make sure that the
पैसा.
people reach the theater. People go either for the movie or the music.
Right.
And by God's grace, he has the potential to
get the
sell
crowds.
anything and everything.
Yeah.
So that is one explanation I
तो
got
फिर
from the
उन्हीं से
composer
गवाओ.
directly.
उनके लिए करो. Why only then not have Arijit Singh?
Yeah, I mean that's one way to go
Yeah.
about it. But yeah, I fail to understand.
Doesn't make sense at one level.
My only thing is कि हाँ ठीक है, there is no denying the fact that the man is a legend.
Of course, 100%. Yeah.
Because he really is.
He truly is. Yeah.
And but that doesn't mean कि बाकी कोई
है ही नहीं.
So who's up for this experiment? I still don't know. Yeah, to try out the new stuff.
So do you ever say no? Now are you in a position where you say, okay, if there's a second singer?
No, I can't say no.
You can't say no.
I have this problem. I can't say no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And usually we are not told about this whole sharing business.
What?
Yes. पूरा गाना गाते हैं. And
then they give it to somebody else to sing.
Yeah. अभी मैं किसी एक I think it was Amal Malik's interview that I saw, where he's talking about Arijit, and he said he's a fantastic guy, a fantastic singer, and you don't really need to. He gives out the emotions. You don't need to tell him that. Which is all true. And then he gave the example. You heard the new song Zamana Lage. How he sung the high notes. That's my voice.
Ah.
And I wrote to Amal. I was like, bro, that was me singing, by the way. But it's okay. So even like a composer who can really differentiate between two voices cannot see the other name. That other name
That's
is.
That's sad.
Yeah.
It's like an overshadow, right? You get overshadowed by someone bigger.
It's almost like कि वो ना उसके beyond नहीं दिखा. Overshadow is the word.
Overshadow, no? That person dominates or hogs the limelight.
Yeah, or maybe I don't know. I don't know. बट वही है कि जो है वो तो मिल जाएगा तो
Hmm.
मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं है किसी भी चीज़ का,
Hmm.
बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप सिंगिंग,
Of course.
बिकॉज आई लव सिंगिंग.
Right.
My love for my music and for my art is, it has nothing to do with absolutely anyone else,
Hmm.
existence or
Hmm.
non-existence. Yeah.
You know, a lot of singers again on the show have mentioned that scratch pe gawate hai, and then somebody else sings that song, another singer.
Hmm.
And I was watching a interview of Vijayata Pandit,
Hmm.
and she was so lovely, and I think, you know, she's a chip of the old block without any ego. She said that that's all Jatin Lalit used to make me do. They're siblings apparently,
Yeah.
and this is what, you know, I would only be singing on scratches, and every time I would think acha mera number aa gaya,
Hmm.
but then it would be Anuradha Podwal or, you know,
Hmm.
somebody from that time
Hmm.
actually then rendering the song.
Right.
Has it happened to you? Is this a norm that, you know, scratch pe gawao, and then, you know, someone else, someone bigger, someone better, more
Yeah. Yeah.
saleable takes the song? Has it happened to you?
Yeah. Yeah.
You've lost songs like this?
Many.
Okay.
Many. Many.
How do
Many.
you get to know?
When the song releases,
Oh, so when you make the
there is
scratch,
always this tension before a release. वो जो
ah,
एग्जाम के दिन पे एक टेंशन
it's
होती है
like
ना.
nerves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So very much like that. So वो पता चलता है कि ओ गाना आ गया, ओ ये तो गाया था मैंने, ओ ये तो गाया था मैंने.
Mm.
So
So
that
there's
happens.
no
So
way
the
that you
song
know
that you
before
loved
this. Yeah.
in the Metro in दिनों,
Yeah.
दिल का क्या,
Dil ka kya?
I sang that as well.
In the scratch?
No, they tried out multiple voices.
Okay.
I think even Papondas tried to sing that song.
Oh, so all the guys have sung it once.
Yeah,
Almost, yeah.
it's like I think it's like a platter you present.
Mm.
Which voice do you like? I don't know what it
Who
is.
takes the final call? The producer,
I think so, yeah.
the marketing, like,
ROI.
the ROI, the business guy will take the call. Oh God. So now, you know, there's all this buzz about Metro in the know. It's obviously riding high on nostalgia, sentimentality, and it's almost like a trip down memory lane for all of us, right? And I went to see the film mainly because of the songs, and you know, I had been hooked to them on Spotify, you know,
That's
while
right.
working out on the treadmill. I was
Nice.
listening to it. Our gym is a very you know, it's a funny place.
Bollywood friendly.
Yeah, it's Bollywood friendly, it's heartbreak friendly. So, you know, we play such sad songs
Arre,
in the
arre.
gym
Oh,
that, you know, sometimes the real gym bros who come, and I consider myself a gym bro.
right.
So I go, and I love Mitunda and Bappi Lahiri, you know, like Jimmy Jimmy and
Right.
Kasam Paida Karne. So I go and, you know, jam it up. But usually, sometimes when I enter the gym, I said, yeah, now we've, you know,
ज़्यादा हो
hit
रहा
the lowest common denominator of sadness. इसमें तो हम सो जाएंगे, you know. Just get me a coffee and the rains, and I'm just going to, like, you know, vegetate. But we've worked out to a lot of your songs in the gym.
That's great.
Right? And Metro in the know was playing, and then of course I went and saw the movie, and I wrote about it. I was disappointed. The
Okay.
performances were good, but I thought it was too long,
Yeah.
and the songs in the film didn't take the screenplay forward. I was bored out
Oh.
of my head with the movie. I just
Mm.
wanted it to end at some point, you know,
Okay.
which is never a good thing for a good movie. But again, art is subjective, so a lot of people have loved the movie, and you know, so be it. When you sang Zamana, because it's everywhere that you're going now, you know, people are obviously making you do that song. I think there are better songs in your kitty. I personally feel that
Which one do you
Zamana.
like?
I like a lot of your songs. I actually like the collaboration with that you've got now with Jonita. Am I pronouncing her name correct?
Jonita?
Yeah.
Which one? Which song though?
Sorry, I'm bad with
Jonita के
names.
साथ.
Is that the Thug Life one?
Oh, that's with Nikita.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah.
Right.
So I don't know, for your voice, they call you the Prince of Heartbreak and all of that. But I like a more peppy, like a more.
Same here. I like the more peppy ones.
I like the more peppy ones, and I find it very high energy. You know, like there's a rhythm to it, and there's a groove to it. I prefer your voice in that. But you know, you've done music which is different. You're
Right.
not stereotyped. Like, you know, I used to love Arijit Singh. I still do. Some of his songs, like the Chamkila songs, were beautiful,
Oh,
I
yeah,
thought.
yeah.
And so soulful. In
Mm.
fact, when I lost my mom, I was always listening to that song, Vida Karo. It just felt like Ma was talking to me through
Right,
that song,
right.
It was so heartfelt. But somewhere I think now people just take an Arijit Singh to sell the film. I mean, some of the sound, I may be very unpopular, I may be trolled for this even in Calcutta and in West Bengal, but ek jaisa sun, it's like
Hmm.
same, okay, you just know, it's another Arijit Singh song,
Hmm.
it's like Sufi, have a
But
Sufi
then I
song.
think that's on the compositions, right?
Yeah, that's on the composition. So people are making that kind of music, and you, on the other hand, I feel have had a more diverse,
Right.
there's more fun, there's more diverse,
The
it's
other
been
day,
a bunch of things.
I have to tell you this. Uh, very good composer, a young guy, just starting off. He sent me a song. He's
Hmm.
like, भाई इसको record करके भेजो. I
Hmm.
was like, हाँ ठीक है भेजता हूँ. Then I heard it. It was in his voice. The expressions I heard. So then I told him, ki, okay, I called him. I was like, do you want me to sing it with the expressions you're giving? Or do you want
Interpretation.
do you
of
want
it.
my interpretation?
Right.
Because your song is a love song.
Right.
And you're singing it like "Ah, da, 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 da,
Mm.
da, da, da." So the expression is not really
Yeah.
conveyed. So it's like नहीं stick to that style, थोड़ा heroic दिखाना है और वो करना है. I was like, okay, cool, ठीक है. Then I was like, I'll send you a little take of what I feel you sound like, and I'll sing that, and you tell me if this is working. I send it to him. He's like, और power चाहिए भाई, थोड़ा. He gave me the example of his song. वो swag से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
Okay.
I'm like, this is a love song.
Love song, yeah.
So he's like, no, I want that swag. I want that. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है,
हाँ.
चलो देता हूँ.
Hmm.
तो पहले he started off with कि I want that Vishal Dadlani grainy tone. Like, cool. Let me try it, but it'll be with my tone.
Of course.
I'll try to give you the grains.
Yeah.
He's like, हाँ ठीक है. Then he's like, नहीं थोड़ा can you do the Arijit smile? And I'm like, भाई तुमको मुझसे गवाना है कि
नहीं.
तुमको बाकियों से गवाना है,
Yeah.
वो तुम decide कर लो. Then I gave him that take also. Then he sent me few links of कि नहीं ये वाले जो गाने हैं ना इसकी तरह गाओ.
अरे?
So I was like, see you. Because I can't do
Yeah.
that.
But is
First
it,
of all, it's wrong.
it's wrong. It's
I don't
that's-
want
yeah.
to.
It's unethical. It's
I don't
weird.
want to copy another artist
You don't
because
want to
they
be a
work.
clone.
They work very hard
Hmm.
to build their style.
Hmm.
मैं कौन हूँ कॉपी करने के लिए यार?
Hmm.
But a lot of these young kids are not getting it.
Yeah.
यही चलता है. This is
तो
what
ये
they
बिकता
want.
है.
ये बिकता है.
Hmm.
ऐसे ही हमारा गाना पहुंचेगा उधर.
Hmm.
तो ठीक है. Good luck. Then get the main singer. Then get that singer.
But tell me one thing. See, Kumar Sanu. He became famous because he was a sound-alike of Kishore Kumar.
You think? I don't think so.
No, somewhere when when he sings, maybe some songs I find his voice a little similar. Yeah, I do. The way he, the throw of certain words and all that.
He's got a very powerful voice.
And he's a great singer, no doubt. I'm not taking that away from him. But यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि बच्चे जब बड़े भी हो रहे हैं, or on YouTube, everybody is trying to copy somebody. It's a copycat economy. We live in a copycat economy. You look at our films. 90% of films like Sayyara is doing so well now, and the songs are lovely. Especially the one sung by the Kashmiri duo. I think, the main.
I still have not seen this movie, but I've been seeing so many like things on the internet, people crying and all. I don't know what this is about.
So the songs are nice, like most Mohit Suri movies, but there's already, like 5 or 6, things ki it's from this movie. It's taken from that movie. It's a Korean movie. Somebody saying, no, the Korean movie was made after the Japanese movie, so it's like which came first, the, chicken or the egg.
Yeah.
But the point I'm trying to make is we are a copycat economy, Shashwat.
Yeah.
You cannot deny that.
There's a very nice quote of John Mayer.
Mhm.
He said, when you fail to copy your inspiration, that's when you create something of your own. And you can't copy it the way it is supposed to be.
Yeah.
That's your new. So
your distinctive signature.
yes.
Yeah.
Imitation
Correct,
is,
correct.
yeah.
So when these requests, or I'm sure it was not a demand, it was a request, it was a overture from somebody कि ऐसे करके गाना गाओ. Do music directors also have such demands from
No,
singers?
no, not the established ones,
Hmm.
thankfully. Oh, thank God.
Hmm.
They understand the lines,
Hmm.
and they never expect you to sound like the other singer.
Hmm.
They can call the other singer.
Right.
They can
Right.
get the other singer if they
Right.
need it. So thankfully, with the established composers and all, this is not a problem.
Hmm.
The new ones are a little confused.
Hmm.
Not all of them, some of them.
Hmm.
But what makes me sad is the bright ones also get
They
confused.
fall into that trap
That's my only.
just to make it
I think, yeah, just to get their
fame.
song approved.
That song, yeah, that
Eh,
desperation.
yeah, like
Hmm.
you said, that the struggle. I don't like to use that word.
Yeah, the difficulties, the hardships, maybe
The hardship
the
is,
grind of living
yeah,
in a
कि
place
यार
like
मुझे
Bombay.
पता है कि यही करोगे तो गाना मेरा
हाँ,
लॉक हो
lock
जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
And I would because it's such a beautiful song.
Hmm.
You made such a nice song. Maybe I'm the wrong person to talk about it with. Maybe you should get the other singer.
Hmm.
That's my only thing.
Have you ever told a music director this? I mean, you did to this gentleman, but
To this gentleman, I had to tell him ki
thanks, but no thanks.
I don't think I'm the right singer.
Right.
You should figure out, and it's absolutely okay. We'll still be friends. It doesn't matter. But yeah, नहीं बाकी को कभी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. But I was just telling you one of the instances, and this has not happened for the first time. It has happened before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that is how much people want familiarity. कि वो टोन familiar है, इसलिए चाहिए, वो बिक रहा है. We have a lot of copycat singers also.
Of course.
People who sound like Atif Aslam, people who sound like Arijit. There are a lot of people who sound like Arijit. A lot of people tell me that you sound like Arijit. I'm like, nahi, you have to hear properly to understand that I don't.
But यही होता है कि सेम गाने में दो लोग गा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
so
तब
that
confusion
confusion
ये आपने गाया, ये आपने गाया. अच्छा वो
how
उन्होंने
does a
गाया.
common person have to be really mindful कि भाई ये तो किसी और का गला है.
हाँ, उनको नहीं समझना.
They will not know. They will just absorb the song.
Actually उनको मतलब भी नहीं है.
They don't care.
Yeah. उनको बस गाना अच्छा लगा तो काफी है उनके.
Yeah.
But we have to face the hard part.
You mentioned something, Shashwat, which I thought was interesting bit of the conversation, that social media presence. So as you know, my friend Kohinoor is a sound engineer, and he's good at his work, I know. But Kohinoor keeps telling me, "Yaar, I'm unfit," because it's too much. Like this tamjham of social media, just constantly flood your timeline. The pressure.
Yeah.
And we know that today people are looking at your social media and then giving you the importance. Okay, he's somebody worth giving a shot to. People are giving actors jobs looking at their Instagram subscribers. Though today, for some 800 or 600, I could be wrong. I didn't get a blue tick that way. So you can even buy a blue tick. So you have
now though it's a different.
It's all become.
Now they just showed the world the reality right in their face. That you want the blue tick? Give me the money.
Here it is. Yeah, give me the money.
Here, take the blue tick.
Yeah, absolutely. It's transactional. Absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's so in your face.
It's like just buying something,
तुम्हें fame चाहिए?
ले लो. Yeah. But the entourage, Anurag Kashyap mentioned it with, of course, reference to actors in his films, that the cost of an entourage is what is also destroying a lot of good cinema. Because it's not possible to support that ecosystem of this one, that one, social media, PR. So today every person who's of some repute, they all have their teams, their manager. Like if I had to access X, I would have to go through 3 levels of people, and then somebody negotiating, then another person comes. I was trying to put together a summit for women, and I remember I reached out to a star manager, and she told me, "You're not even on Instagram. How could you call me?" So I said, but ma'am, I have 7 books under my belt. Like, like a child reprimanded. I mean, I started, rattoing. But I've done this. I've been a journalist for 20 years. I have done this. She said, you're not on Insta. And at that time, I really was not on Insta. Though my publishers were constantly telling me, get your ass on Insta, but I would not be on Insta. But I realized then that it is about, जो दिखता है वही बिक रहा है. It is happening. It's not something that we are imagining. So, how do you do this? I mean, for a person who doesn't like social media, who prefers a certain level of privacy, quietness, just doing your own thing. How do you, this keeping of this entourage? It's like you have to pay people, right? It's not. It doesn't come free. You have a manager. You have this. You have a team. You have ye, wo. How does it work?
So, okay, with singers, it's a little different. To answer the person who spoke to you, I think, and I might be 100% correct, is that the artist might not have that kind of
It's the manager's
ego and tantrum. कभी कभी मैनेजर को लगता है अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूंगा या करूंगी तो मेरे आर्टिस्ट का भाव बढ़ेगा,
पैसा ज्यादा मिलेगा.
नहीं, भाव मतलब
the whole
the weightage.
tamjam. Yeah, I get it.
I have seen that a lot. And एक क्लोज फ्रेंड का मैनेजर था, वो सब साथ में बैठे थे, उसने एक फोन कॉल लिया और they were talking and I was like, on the call I was like, bro, I think you were a little rude. Like, नहीं ऐसी बात करनी पड़ती है, नहीं तो ये लोग चढ़ जाते हैं. like, नहीं, अच्छे से बात कर लो. कोई नहीं चढ़ेगा. You can answer आराम से. But once you give out this vibe, तुमको तो कोई नहीं जानता है. वो आर्टिस्ट का हो जाएगा कि अरे उसका टीम बहुत खराब है, या अरे वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट आर्टिस्ट है काम करने के लिए. Very arrogant.
Correct.
So that again, that's a personal thing. Then the artist should figure out if that's the right person they want in their life.
Sometimes the artist doesn't know Shashwat.
Yeah.
It happens.
A lot of times that happens.
It happens.
A lot of times that happens.
Because they are so busy with their deals, endorsement, acting, singing, whatever.
Yeah.
They don't know.
With singers and with musicians, it's slightly more relaxed than what probably actors
go through.
Actors though have to do a lot because every single expression of there is monitored. कि उसने यूं करके यूं फ्राउन किया तो क्यों फ्राउन किया? अरे करने दो उसको फ्राउन.
Yeah, it's on them.
Yeah, I mean, whatever it is.
Yeah, they want to do it.
Though, I'm just saying, don't judge them. But unfortunately, it happens because they are so easy to be targeted by
absolutely
all the judgments.
Soft
right?
targets.
They're always
out there
under scrutiny. तो उनके लिए tough है. But for us, it's very work based. Especially the team and everything. We need it. It's like I can't sit and negotiate
money.
Yeah, I don't want to sit and negotiate because then I'll feel like I'm an apple in a market. You know, कि नहीं मेरा इतना रेट है और मेरा इतना, ये सब नहीं बात करनी मुझे. और मुझे कंसर्न भी नहीं रहना है इस बारे में. Let the experts do the talking, figure it out. And
then you come into the picture.
I'll just come and do my job, which is to sing, or which is to perform, or which is to make music.
Correct.
And that's all I want to do. So for me, it's fine. And yeah. So it's a little different from
for actors and musicians. But today, if I look at a lot of the, Nikita, for instance, or everybody, even Shreya Ghoshal now. Everybody's so well groomed. Everybody's gymming. Everybody's got stylists. They've got designers. Red carpet dressing.
I honestly feel women are working really hard.
Yeah, women are really slaying it.
Boys are way behind.
Yeah. I would agree with that. You know.
And I have so much respect for all these artists. Seriously.
Female artists. Yeah. And the way they perform on stage.
fantastic.
Earlier, you know, maybe if you see a Lata Mangeshkar, she's singing. Her job is, as you said, उनको गाना गाना है.
Hmm.
Or if you take a, you know, a singer who's very big here, for instance, you know, they just had to sing. Now if you look at it, if you look at the, you know, women singers of Bengal as well, I mean, they are no less than actors. You know, they
Yeah.
are well groomed, they
Hmm.
are as you know, glam. They are managed by big celebrity management agencies. Image consultants are, you know,
Oof.
deciding everything.
Wow.
You know, they are slaying it in the gym. How are they different from an actor? So, are the boys feeling the heat?
Of course.
Okay.
Because I mean, I don't know about the other boys. I'm like कि यार ये तो बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
No, no, seriously, hats off to them. Like,
Yeah.
why not?
Why not?
You want to be a diva, be a diva. You want to be a queen, be a queen. Do
Hmm.
whatever you want.
Hmm.
Push yourself the way you want to. I don't want to.
Hmm.
Maybe do a few things. So I will not go in that
So
direction.
you're not gymming, or you don't
No,
have.
no, gym. That's for me.
That's your personal
That's
thing.
for me.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Staying healthy, having good habits, and going for a beard trim.
Hmm.
All that's for
That's
me.
your personal grooming in a
Yeah,
way.
that's me.
Fitness, yeah.
It has nothing to do with ये मुझे यहाँ पहुँचाएगा.
Hmm.
Although, of course, my first agency, my manager was like, lose some weight so that you can go on stage and it looks good and ये वो. So I was like, हाँ ठीक है देखते हैं.
Hmm.
अभी क्या बोलो इनको?
Did you?
मतलब you all no. So for me, lose weight so that I can get you work doesn't work.
Yeah. Lose weight for your own health.
Lose weight, एक तो first of all is wrong.
Yeah.
No
Get
one wants
fit,
to.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Be healthy.
Yeah.
Be you know, stay fit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Have good habits.
Hmm.
That's for me,
Hmm.
and I'll do it when I want to.
Hmm.
And when I want to binge eat, I'll binge eat.
Hmm.
When I want to fast, I'll fast.
Hmm.
I'll do whatever I want.
Hmm.
Yes, if someone's paying me 5 crores to be in front of the camera to do something, I will be ripped.
Hmm.
I will give it everything.
Yeah.
That's
सुबह
great.
से शाम तक.
But मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना वो.
हाँ.
So, but I get it. It's a different time, and entertainment is looked at in a different way. Even audience wants कि oh, guy looks good on
Yeah.
stage.
Yeah.
Even the audience wants that.
Hmm.
Even though they'll have a huge punch, it's okay.
Yeah.
You know.
But they want that from the performer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The expectation.
एक जरा एक somersault हो जाए तो मजा आ जाए.
Correct. Correct.
So वो है expectation. I don't take it as a pressure. It's okay. Yeah, maybe one day I'll come out with abs. Not
Okay.
today.
Not tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know what I'm trying to get at is this insane breakneck speed industry, right? And एक जो हम लोग, you know, we see this very commonly, of course, through films and popular culture, that singer वो अपना tape लेके, you know, he's going, sir, एक बार गाना सुन लीजिए.
Yeah.
It's in so many films where the hero is a singer. You know, they always show this quote unquote struggle that he's going with his demo tape, cassette, whatever.
मैंने भी दिया था.
अच्छा.
एहसान नूरानी जी को.
हाँ, then.
So he was very sweet. He was like, buddy, you need to work.
Okay.
You need to work hard. Like, okay, thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you for your feedback.
Right.
And I took it.
You took it on the chin like this.
Yeah, because genuinely I was like कि ये आता है मुझे सर आपको क्या लगता है आप मुझे काम दोगे? He was like नहीं. तो ठीक है.
You still get rejected?
Now I don't go with the demo CDs. Earlier I used to go with it. मतलब एक ही इंसान है जिनको दिया. That was Mr. Ehsan Noorani because one contact came through and he was like, oh, I know Ehsan. What do you want? You want me to share your music? And I was clueless. Like, yeah, please. This is that time when
That time, yeah.
2013.
Yeah.
When I was there for a year.
Correct.
Figuring out क्या कर सकते हैं. And thankfully that didn't happen. So that I went back to Chennai. And, you know, Tamasha came into my life.
Yeah.
So, it's okay. वो अच्छा फॉर्म है. वो दिखाना चाहिए क्योंकि होता है बहुत लोगों का.
अपना काम दिखाना जैसे.
वो बहुत लोगों ने किया है. Almost सबने किया है.
Everybody has done it.
कि भाई I have made this song.
Demo, yeah.
ये रही मेरी CD. I'll send you my links. Now the links.
Now the links, yeah.
पहले pen drive होती थी,
Yeah,
CD होता था.
yeah. Cassette before that, yeah. The, women singers often talk about, more portion of the song being given to the male singer. The disparity in the length of the song, which is given to a man and a woman. And even, of course, the pay, which continues to be a struggle in almost every industry. Like, almost like sexual harassment, it's prevalent everywhere. I think we are light years away from achieving complete equality. बहुत struggle, बहुत लड़ाई अभी करनी बाकी है हम लोगों के लिए. But what I'm trying to say is, when you're new, when you're fresh off the block, maybe you have that one Tamasha song. Did you feel at any point that Bollywood was unfair to you, that it's hard to survive here because you didn't really know anybody, right? You have talent, you're hardworking, you're cute. I mean, if I look at the complete package, like people look now, but it's still tough.
Um, See, the person who gets the bigger chunk, I feel, is the person who's able to sell the most.
Correct.
I don't mean to support any gender here.
Yeah.
If truly Alia Bhatt is a protagonist, she will get paid most on the set because she is the lead of the movie.
She's the lead, yeah.
And people want to go watch her. Boils down to what the society also wants to see. So apparently there's a show, this was a very interesting conversation I was having, where women are fighting for the man.
Okay.
This was the reality show.
Okay.
Yeah,
Where female suitors are vying for the attention of one man.
One man.
Okay.
And they're fighting, and the show is received really well by the audience. They started another one.
A separate show.
A separate show with the same war, but the men are fighting for the women, for that one woman, or I don't know, many women, whatever. They had to stop the other show because it did not receive enough TRP. Now they are only with the show where the women are fighting for the man.
Over the guy, yeah.
So that says a lot about the society.
That says a lot about society, yeah.
Because उसमें viewership ही नहीं था.
Shashwat, this is an era of collaboration, right? We see artists often collaborating. We see platforms. Like Coke Studio would be one great example of, we have it in Bangla as well, where there's lovely collaboration between, musicians. You've been always a person who's believed in the power of collaboration. You believe that musicians, artists should come together and create music, which is indigenously theirs. Tell us about kahan se, like, because artists, I mean, some artists of course are also known to be possessive. They're also known to be very egoistical, that jo mera hai wo mera hi hai, I'm not going to. But in this age of collaboration, would you say this is one of the positive effects of Instagram, social media, where artists are jamming together? I've seen videos of you where Arijit is on call, for instance. You're singing out something to him, or of course with Nikita now, your famous Jugalbandi. How did this, how did you arrive at this spirit?
I think a lot of it started because my first one was a collaboration, right? With Shankar Tucker.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Thank God for that.
Yeah.
That was your lucky charm.
Yeah. And it was a collaboration, and I was the one who was receiving the collaboration. I think it's a great tool because in the current times, that's how you mix the audience up, right? Cross-platform collaboration, or whatever. You bring the following of this artist and this artist together, and that it leads to an organic rise in both the artists. So that tool is there, of course. So one of the major reasons why people collaborate now is that earlier it used to be solely because the music
correct,
they matched on that
on that wavelength.
कि musically हम अच्छे हैं साथ में तो करते हैं. So I still believe in the Purana wala thing. I like it. If I'm told कि अच्छा ठीक है एक rap artist के साथ collaborate करना है, तो I will be very picky कि कौन सा.
Do I resonate with him?
and will that person resonate with
Yeah,
me?
it has to be both ways, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that is there, and a lot of collaborations are now taking. It's a business. It's a tool now. It's a collaboration is a tool now,
Hmm.
and it's doing well for
Hmm.
everyone. I think.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Is this pressure, कि एक गाना रिलीज हुआ, अभी तो गाने का लॉन्च ट्रेलर के लॉन्च से भी पहले होता है, it's happening in Tollywood as well.
Sure.
And you've sung for a Bengali movie.
Hmm.
Are you open? Are you doing more Bangla music as well?
Yes, please call me so that eventually I can learn the language.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And you sing in so many languages, Shashwat.
Yeah.
But do you know the languages? No.
No, I don't.
Okay.
But I now know few nuances of each.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
Malayalam has few things. Tamil, it's not Tamil, it's Tamil.
Tamil. Yeah.
And ZH is
Hmm.
pronounced like that.
Hmm.
तो वो सब छोटी छोटी चीजें समझ में आ गई हैं.
Hmm.
So it's good. Thank God for the lyrical supervisors. I'm able to pull it off.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, there are some artists who don't really need that, and they are so good at it. For example, Shreya Ghoshal ji.
Yeah.
She's
She
fabulous
kills
with languages.
it in so many different languages. Yeah,
she's
yeah,
really
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So it's a knack for a lot of people to
Yeah.
learn different kind of
Yeah.
languages.
Yeah.
तो मैं गा लेता हूँ.
Hmm.
Like I said, I can. For me, it's the sound and then imitating the sound.
Right.
And, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So is there a pressure? इतने million views नहीं आए, तो hit नहीं हुआ गाना.
Oh, no, I know the story of the million views, so I'm not pressurized by it.
Okay, so it's mostly bought
It's a lot of push. It's a lot
monetarily.
of push. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not just monetarily. There's of course monetary, of course, and then there's the whole influencer market.
Hmm.
Again, you spend money on that.
Yeah.
So it's okay. The millions don't matter.
And do you?
The millions will start mattering the day the millions also convert in the bank account. When they say फलाना ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म पे इतना मिलियन स्ट्रीम्स ईयरली, फिर उसके ऊपर पोस्ट्स होते हैं, हाउ मच डिड यू गेट इन द अकाउंट? The million is because we are so many people. Right.
Right.
We are, as a population, we are huge. It will be in millions. That's great. It's good to know that so many people are consuming it.
But how do you know who's real, who's fake?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the biggest debate.
That's the biggest thing, no?
Even the biggest of the biggest singers in the playback industry, when they started making independent music, the conversion in the views on the independent music and the Bollywood music, a huge difference of the same artist. And I mean that, there you go. That's what my point is, that doesn't matter.
And like a friend of mine who was trying to make it as a singer, she told me once that, of course she was a woman, that, music directors also play favorites. They have their own little coterie, and, the song just, kind of circulates in that. And, they play favorites also. They, you'll see a particular music director always working with a certain musician, or that musician is a much necessary item in the film, like we mentioned Arijit.
I mean, I think it's a comfort level thing, right?
Okay.
If tomorrow I'm a composer, okay?
Right.
I have a song where I want the guitar pieces to be played. I will call my guy.
My person.
Yeah, who I'm comfortable with. जिससे मैं conversation करके उसको समझा पाऊंगी मुझे ये चाहिए.
ये चाहिए.
I might try 10
but
guitarists.
Circle back to him.
And हो सकता है कि 10 में से 3 अच्छे लगे और तीनों में से वही एक जो मेरा पुराना बंदा था उसी को ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेस्ट है. So I'll go back to him or her.
Right.
Same thing for singers, same thing for everyone else. I think movie directors को जब AD चाहिए होता है, assistant director चाहिए होता है, so they'll call that one guy who was reliable on that project. Right. So I think it's that.
So it's a trust factor, basically.
It's a trust factor.
Comfort.
It's a comfort thing. The wavelength matching. A lot of that. Yeah.
Do you ever feel that, itne naye singers hai, every day there's a reality show, sometimes they just disappear, you know, these, you know, they don't really get much playback. Or Bollywood, they don't make it, you know, they do regional cinema, not to put down any kind of music. Also they do para shows, you know, for
Mm-hmm.
us in Bengal during
Mm.
Durga Puja. You know, some association calls them, they are a sound alike of, you know,
Yeah.
some famous singer. And some people just melt away into oblivion, you know, they do other jobs then, and they don't pursue their passion,
It's
right?
yeah, I think that's it's a personal
Yeah,
वो कि आप कितना झेल पाओगे,
yeah.
कितना प्रेशर ले पाओगे, what's your threshold?
Have you ever reached a point where आप नहीं झेल सकते थे, आपको लगा कि this is it?
हाँ, लगता है हफ्ते में एक बार.
हफ्ते में एक बार. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But I mean, that's the beauty of life. It keeps moving
Hmm.
and it puts you in a spot,
Right.
and then you realize you're stronger,
Hmm.
and then you move ahead.
And do you need to, you know, still sort of negotiate very hard for your remuneration, you know, with the big studios being like sharks,
That's
you
why I
know?
keep the manager.
Okay, so they walk the talk.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
All money conversations or whatever. If I need, say, a hotel with a single bed and not a double bed.
That also by then.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But I don't want to be the face of that
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah. And you're doing a lot of shows, you know, when I sort of went through your Insta, I saw, you know, shows in Dubai and lots of shows happening. Shows are a completely different ball game, but there is also criticism that some singers lip sync, even really
Hmm.
famous ones, that they're not really, you know, they're
Hmm.
not really singing, you know, they're just
Right.
lip syncing. What is the difference, and, you know, how difficult are these stage shows, you know? We've seen a singer like KK unfortunately lose his life,
Hmm.
you know, in a stage show. And, you know, I mean, there were a lot of theories that, you know, the AC was not working, he was tired, he was pushing himself. And I think, you know, sometimes when we look at an actor versus a singer, not like it's a competition, but we don't realize the effort that goes into singing. Because आप जब एक
I mean,
हीरो
it's
के
a
लिए भी
different
गा
effort
रहे, yeah, it is
altogether.
a different effort.
I have seen actors up close. It's crazy their
Crazy,
lives.
yeah.
When an actor has to prepare for a character, I'm talking about my sister because
Yeah.
that's the closest
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am to an actress. She locks herself and prepares for the character for months at
Hmm.
times. If she has to play a difficult role, uh, it takes her time to come out of it.
Get out of it, yeah.
It is so mentally draining. I
Hmm.
cannot matlab, picture myself
As an
putting
actor.
myself through that
Hmm.
so that I can play the role well.
Hmm.
That's what the demand is by your art form.
Right.
What a singer goes through, what a musician goes through. I think everyone has their set of very difficult
Battles too.
battles,
Yeah.
and even a corporate person
Hmm.
will have a different battle
Right.
that probably I cannot deal with or
Yeah.
don't want to deal with.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct.
तो वो तो कंपैरिजन की बात ही नहीं.
Hmm.
But sorry, what was the gist of the question?
Yeah, so this is what I was saying, that, you know, at the end of the day, it's like, you know, this whole stage, the energy that you need
Yeah.
on stage, it's a performance now.
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen the Vishal and Shekhar, I've seen
Yeah. You
I've
were talking
not-
about lip sync, right?
yeah, lip sync. I
Right,
mean,
right.
somebody who's not doing that. I mean, the dance, the movements, the thing, the rehearsals it takes. It's not just actors who are doing it. It's singers also.
Yeah, yeah.
And as you said, the women are killing it in this game. They're going like totally. They're hitting the ball out of the park.
I
yeah,
love
yeah,
it.
yeah,
So good.
yeah.
And I know the story of, I think someone told me about Beyonce.
Huh.
She runs in high heels
Hmm.
on the treadmill
For the stage.
and practices her singing to maintain the stability from her core,
Core.
so that body में वो shiver ना हो
Hmm.
या आवाज में shiver ना.
Can you imagine? Unbelievable.
Someone's training like that. That's
Yeah.
military.
Hmm.
That's like getting ready for war.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
not
Absolutely.
easy stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah. So हाँ कर रहे हैं लोग, push कर रहे हैं अपने आप को
Hmm.
in crazy ways to
Yeah.
reach the epitome of
But
their.
you don't seem like that
artistry.
person who's so pressurized and so, you know, like obsessive about the whole industry. You seem chill, relaxed, making your own time and space for things.
Yeah, I mean, I love to sing.
Hmm.
Yeah, and how that happens in my life. It happens every day almost, thankfully.
Hmm.
And that's what I'm very happy about.
Right.
Of course, the day I decide कि आज से शाश्वत
नहीं.
सिंह live में I need to have some choreography.
Hmm.
My life will flip for a few weeks.
Hmm.
I'll practice all that. I'll get there.
Hmm.
But yeah, abhi nahi, not right now.
And when do you do your riyaz, Shashwat? When do you?
Usually when I wake up.
In the morning.
Yeah.
So do you have a regime that you follow?
Kharaj karta hu main.
Okay.
And that's my favorite. Relaxes the
Right. Right.
body. And yeah, and then I do my little paltas and
Hmm.
basic stuff, nothing too
Okay.
intense.
Okay. And do you do this every day like a ritual?
Sometimes every day, sometimes it gets skipped if I have to catch flights and
Hmm.
all. Then
And
miss
have
ho
you ever
jata hai.
had a situation where you have to perform and you have a bad throat, or
Yeah, of
you know, you have
course.
a cold or something? How does one get by?
Bad show happens. That's it.
Hmm.
it's a bit of a
As simple as
it's
that.
a bit of a pitchy show.
Right.
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 But
Has it ever happened to you?
हाँ होता है, सबका होता है.
Sabka hota hai.
It's
Exactly.
natural. It's a
human.
muscle.
Yeah.
It's a muscle.
Hmm.
If it's tired, if it's asking for rest, but you have to push it because, you know,
Yeah.
that's a commitment. So it'll happen.
Right.
It's a natural
Right.
thing. So you're talking about lip sync. I think a big reason for that is that artists now are scared कि हमें troll कर दिया जाएगा.
Hmm.
If a MJ can go off, if a Prince can go off, it's okay if you're going off pitch. Don't go off pitch throughout the song.
Completely. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Then you
Then
need
it's
to
a problem.
then you need to practice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Simple.
Yeah.
But then you haven't trained yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, once in a while it's okay. I think everyone needs to just like
Chill a bit.
yeah.
Hmm.
क्यों गलत नोट
Hmm.
अब उस पर गड़ जाना तो गलत बात है फिर.
And then you'll find hundreds of memes on the same thing. Yeah.
तो वो बहुत बड़ा रीजन है. Some people because they want to do heavy choreography on stage, so they do plus and lip sync.
Hmm.
तो lip sync के multiple reasons हैं I think out there.
Hmm.
For personally, what I feel when I go on stage, I have to exercise my lungs and sing it out loud because that's the only time I feel the energy.
Hmm.
When my audience is not vibing, I kind of tell them, listen, your vibe is coming onto
Yeah,
me.
it's the energy transfer.
So if you want this to be
I
entertaining,
agree.
better get up and come near the stage.
Right.
And let's start having fun.
Yeah.
And then they do. And then we have a great time.
Right.
And it doesn't matter what happened.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You're in Kolkata now, you know, a city which is culturally very rich and also known for its music, right?
Mhm.
We home to the Nobel laureate Tagore, whose songs, you know, have, you know, influenced so many generations.
Yeah.
What do you love about music in Kolkata? And what kind of music in the city have you been exposed to?
So I was just I finished the show. I was having breakfast the next morning. And this Dotara sound started. Dun, 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 dun. And this lady started singing. It was like one baul singer.
Oh, lovely.
And this was happening in a 5-star.
Hmm.
I loved that. I was like, okay, this is very Kolkata.
Hmm.
This will not happen anywhere else in the
Right.
world, probably. Where a musician just moving around with an instrument and is singing while you're eating your food.
Hmm.
It was so good. I spoke to her. I asked her, "Kahan se liya aapne Dotara?" And all. So I love that organic part of Kolkata. It's so good.
Hmm.
Today morning, in the morning only, I was in the Ravindra Sarovar.
Hmm.
I was walking. There was a group of 4 people, and one uncle was singing at the top of his lung. He was not able to breathe nicely. थोड़ा बुड्ढे थे, but enjoy कर रहे थे.
Hmm.
And the other 3 who were okay in singing wise, they were also enjoying.
Hmm.
To an extent, I went ahead and sat for a bit. I was like, let's listen to it.
Right.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Right.
लेक के बगल में
Hmm.
उधर
The
कोई
ambience
गाना
is
गा रहा है.
perfect. Yeah.
बारिश हल्की हल्की हो रही है.
Nice.
So all that was good.
Hmm.
Kolkata, I think, it's very internal. Art is very
Do
internal.
you come often enough to Kolkata for shows, etc.?
Yeah. I do.
Okay.
I do.
And it's a city which you like.
Oh yeah, I love Kolkata.
Okay.
I did an ad here, so I direct sometimes as well. I
Okay.
love doing that.
Okay.
So I directed one a Khadi Gram Udyog ad.
Okay.
So I went inside the farmlands near your Salt Lake
Hmm.
area. Then कहाँ कहाँ गए थे हमने? विक्टोरिया में गोरिल्ला शूट किया था बिकॉज वहाँ अलाउड नहीं है ना परमिशन के ना, तो चुपके से कैमरा लेके आई वाज ओनली होल्डिंग द स्टेबलाइजर एंड एवरीथिंग एंड तो मल्टीपल स्पॉट्स आई वेंट टू, गलीज में घुस रहे हैं, इतनी अच्छी दीवार, इतना अच्छा दरवाजा.
Hmm.
You know, the small things about Kolkata, it's beautiful. I love
Right.
it. And I see a lot of things like a lens.
Hmm.
It's just a perspective.
Right.
So I love the city for that old charm that it has.
Old world charm that
Oof.
it has. Yeah.
And this hotel I was staying in, oh, Lalit.
Lalit, Great Eastern.
Yes.
Hmm.
In my room there was a huge boulder, like pillar.
Hmm.
You know, massive, big one. No, 1837 में उसको लगाया गया था वहाँ
My
पे.
God. Yeah, Lalit Great Eastern is one of the older hotels. It's been taken
Yeah.
over by the Lalit Group now.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah. It was
absolutely.
called something else.
Great Eastern.
Great Eastern.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
A lot of stories in that
Yeah, a
hotel.
lot of stories in that
I heard
hotel.
about some crazy stories as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. It's an old hotel. It's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
old, like almost a very,
So-
antiquity kind of a
Mm, mm.
property. Yeah.
So I really like all that about
Kolkata.
Kolkata. Yeah.
Can we ask you to sing a bit of a Bengali song, or is that asking for too much?
No.
Being too demanding?
No, I can. Is it okay if I look at the lyrics
Of
and
course
sing?
it is. Of course it
Oh wait,
is.
I'll just sing one without.
Okay.
But it's not my song.
Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Forgive me if I'm
Yes.
mispronouncing.
You're forgiven, Shashwat.
আজ ঠোঁটের কলাজ থামালো কাজ, মন তোমাকে ছুঁয়ে দিলাম, মন হারানো খাম, মন তোমাকে ছুঁয়ে দিলাম, দিন এখনো রঙিন, এই দিন এখনো রঙিন. I love this melody.
Yeah, this is a beautiful
Yeah,
song.
I love this melody.
It is a really, really
Yeah,
wonderful
yeah.
song. Apt for our conversation to come to a close. I always feel that musicians make our hearts happy. And music, food, art, good conversations, good movies is what keeps us going despite everything that's happening in the world around us. আমার খুব ভাল লাগছে যে আজকে একটু বেশি ইংরেজি বললাম, একটু হিন্দিও বললাম. I get trolled for that. So
Yeah?
Yeah. Why am I not speaking only in Bangla? Very
Oh.
bad. চলবেন না. So আজকে আশা করি আপনারা অতটা মাইন্ড করবেন না, কেননা শাশ্বত এত ভালোভাবে নির্ভেজাল আমাদের আড্ডা হয়েছে, এত মিউজিক্যাল আড্ডা হয়েছে যে সেটা আই এম শিওর আপনাদের মনকে ছুঁয়ে গেছে. আর ইংলিশ, হিন্দি, বাংলা, ইটস ইররেলেভেন্ট. যারা এই তিনটে ভাষা বুঝতে পারেন, বাংলা খুবই কম হয়েছে, বাট আই হোপ দ্য স্পিরিট অফ দ্য শো অ্যান্ড দ্য এপিসোড অ্যান্ড দ্য সোল অফ শাশ্বত, I think it's an incredible journey from Allahabad to Mumbai and everything in between. Your chance meeting with A.R. Rahman, the duet that you did on YouTube, down to more contemporary music that you're doing, and also remaining detached from the whole trapping of it. I hope you never change, Shashwat. I've said this on my couch to so many people from the world of entertainment. I really like it when somebody lets their work speak for themselves rather than the entourage or the ego or the halo. I can't let you go without one Shashwat Singh song.
Sure.
Not in Bangla, I understand you'll need the lyrics, but perhaps a favorite of yours for your viewers and audience.
I'll sing Zamana Lage.
Absolutely, please, once more.
Okay. तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक शाम चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे, तुम्हारे बस में अगर हो तो भूल भूल जाओ हमें, तुम्हें भुलाने में शायद मुझे ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, ज़माना लगे, तुम्हें भुलाने में मुझे ज़माना लगे.
Oh, thank you, Shashwat. And if I may request you, इसके बाद तो I should stop talking. People should just absorb this beautiful composition and, of course, the voice. But if you can just give a shout out for subscriptions on Straight Up with Shri
Okay.
to your fans.
Sure.
They're sometimes a little lazy. They are demanding and they'll say inko lao, unko lao, and I joke that they're just playing in my background. I can just pick them up from my backyard and put them on the couch. But for your fans.
All right, everyone who enjoyed this talk, this conversation, it's because we have a wonderful host here who gets it out of the artist, And so go and subscribe to her channel. It's called Straight Up with Shri. And follow for more.
Yes, thank you, Shashwat. Please come back to Kolkata. May it bring you back many, many times.
Thank you.
अभी तो बारिश का मौसम है, but
Yes.
probably during Pujo, during winter, which is beautiful in Kolkata, during summers are terrible everywhere in India. But so I'm not competing
Kolkata
with
looks,
Bombay.
It looks amazing.
Yeah,
anytime.
yeah. So I think Kolkata has the soul of an artist.
Yes.
If Kolkata had, as a person, had to choose a profession, I think Kolkata would be a singer or
Yeah?
a director. Yes,
Yeah.
an artist for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
And thanks to now, I think technology and singers crossing over their Lakshman Rekhas. You're singing in Tamil, you're singing in Bangla. There are singers from here wanting to spread their wings. Music has no boundaries because love has no boundaries. So on
Absolutely.
that note, and with Shashwat's beautiful heart sort of warming melodies, মানে এটাই যেন আমরা এই এপিসোডটার পর বারবার শুনতে থাকি. স্পটিফাইতে শুনুন, সিনেমাটা দেখুন, no matter what your opinion of it is. Everybody relates to music and cinema and conversations differently. কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা করতে ভুলবেন না. লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব, বেল আইকন ক্লিক করুন. Shashwat, hope to have you back here many more times in my city and on my couch. Thank you once again for
Thank you.
making
Thank
the
you for
time.
having me.
পরের সপ্তাহে আবার দেখা হবে. নমস্কার.